Hello there, my name is Ollie from Anchor Vans. Today I have for you the brand new Vauxhall Vivaro. This is that brand new, I can count the amount of miles on my fingers. Now this is a 6-doored diesel fuel type van, which does also have a 6-speed manual transmission. And if I do just open up the passenger door just here into the cab, you can see we have 3 cloth-lined seats. Hands-free cooling, voice assist and cruise control can be controlled upon the steering wheel or slightly behind, along with the computer display upon the dashboard. Now here we have the radio connectivity display screen, as well as where the parking sensor diagrams get shown up as well, just below AC as well. And then if I do just open up the load area at the back, you can see it is ply lined, lovely neat in here as well. This does come with interior lighting, cargo rings just in the gaps in the wood to tie down any load you may want to carry. And if you would like to find out more about this brand new Vauxhall Vivaro, then please do feel free to check out our website, anchorvans.co.uk, or why not come down to our site in Padworth to discover more vehicles like this and talk to our experts on site about specific vehicles. Thank you very much.